How to search for jobs on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to search for jobs on LinkedIn. Now, searching for a job on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First thing, go to log into your LinkedIn account, and when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to this field, which is going to look something like this. So here you just have to go to the job section, and to look for the job, you just go to job or tap the search box icon, and here you could go ahead and search by title, skills, or company, industry, whatever. So type in the one, and next page you tap on the search box icon, and here you could locate it from your search list. So you could also go ahead and filter it out just by tapping on the icon located next to it, and then you could just go ahead and select it accordingly and click on show result. After you've done that, you have this information, so you could go ahead and click on the information. If you wish to go ahead and add it to your save list, and click on this following button, and then you could also go ahead and turn on your notification, and that is how you can search for job on LinkedIn. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.